The United States boasts enormous military power. It's hard to name countries that can match the United States in military prowess. It is mission time. The ever-ready force gets its manpower and equipment ready at a moment's notice. For a mission that can be as far away from U.S. soil as possible, it uses several of its workhorses, such as the C-17, to move heavy weapons and artillery. The C-17 might only be 174 feet long, with a 170-foot wingspan. But it can carry up to 85 tons of payload, including a fully loaded M1 Abrams tank. Nicknamed the Globemaster, the C-17 is designed for the rapid strategic delivery of troops and cargo. The payload capacity of the C-17 comes from its 4 fully reversible Pratt & Whitney engines. Each of its engines can deliver a mammoth 20 tons of thrust. It made its maiden flight on September 15, 1991. And the first production model was delivered to what is now known as Joint Base Charleston in South Carolina on June 14, 1993. The aircraft is operated by a crew of 3, comprising the pilot, the co-pilot, and the loadmaster. This cost-effective flight crew is only possible because of its advanced digital avionics and cargo systems. The cargo transport aircraft has high-lift wings and externally blown flaps that allow it to operate on small, austere airfields. Cargo is loaded onto the Globemaster through a large aft door that accommodates military vehicles and palletized cargo. Loading an M1 Abrams tank on a C-17 is an arduous task. Accurate loading is critical to flying out the massive 70-ton tank. And the ground and maintenance technicians assist with this complex cargo loading. To reduce friction with the floor of the aft door, the crew can use pallets of wood as a foundation for the tank's wheels. The tank is gently driven into the cargo bay through the large aft ramp and door system while carefully managing the tight floor space and alignment. Ground crews can be seen taking great care to secure the tank to the cargo bay. This prevents the heavy weight from shifting during flight. Otherwise, it could affect the pilot's ability to maneuver properly. At the destination, the M1 Abrams tank can be offloaded in a similar manner to the way it was loaded. The tank can then be transported by ground vehicle for immediate deployment on the battlefield. As a frontline transport aircraft, the C-17 is also required to carry several vehicles to and from different strategic positions. It can carry the military Humvee, a lightweight, four-wheel drive tactical vehicle that can carry a variety of military hardware. The C-17 can carry the Humvee in two side-by-side rows. 8 Humvees comprise one deployment load. With its massive 85-ton payload capacity and about 1,600 square feet of the cargo bay, the C-17 is ideal for airdrop operations. It can impressively drop Humvees and other vehicles from an altitude of 5,000 feet. The Humvees are driven into the cargo bay through the ramp and the aft door. Several attachment points that are used to secure the vehicles in place. This prevents them from shifting during takeoff or landing. After the vehicles have been secured in place, the aft door will be closed until the aircraft gets to its destination.